TP-Link router Wi-Fi password change and Wi-Fi name change. This is the best way to change your Wi-Fi password and Wi-Fi name of the TP-Link router, no matter what kind of TP-Link router you have. Connect your phone or computer to the TP-Link router using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi network. Once your phone or computer is connected to the TP-Link router, open a web browser. Type 192.168.0.1 or tplinkwifi.net in the address field. If you're unsure, you can check the back of your router for the IP address. Then press enter to visit the TP-Link router's web management page. Log into your TP-Link router's panel. If you have an old version TP-Link router, you'll need to enter your username and password. If you haven't changed these from the default settings, you can find the default credentials on a sticker on your router or in the manual. The common default login username is admin, and the login password is also admin for both. If you have a new version TP-Link router, type the administrator password you have previously set. If you have forgotten this TP-Link router login password, you will have no choice but to reset the TP-Link router to factory defaults and then configure it again. Then click on Login. After logging in, look for the Advanced, Wireless or Security Settings option in the router's menu and click on it. This can vary depending on your TP-Link router model. Then, click on the Wireless tab in the menu bar on the left side. Then, click on Wireless Settings under the Wireless tab. Now you can see your wireless network name and password under the Wireless Settings menu. If you are using a dual-band TP-Link router with the Smart Connect option enabled, you will only see one wireless network name and one wireless network password. However, if the Smart Connect option is not enabled, you will see two wireless network names and two wireless network passwords. First, change your wireless network name, SSID, under the Wireless Settings option. On older version TP-Link routers, the wireless network name or SSID must be changed in the Wireless Settings menu under the Wireless tab. Then change your wireless network password or Wi-Fi password. Make sure to choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. On older version TP-Link routers, the wireless network password or Wi-Fi password must be changed in the Wireless Security menu under the Wireless tab. Then, click on the Save option. After clicking the Save option, your router will restart automatically. Once the router restarts, you'll need to reconnect all your devices using the new password. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.